Hello and welcome to C.R.I. Tactical Drone Academy. Police officers, security guards, and federal agents risk their lives to serve and protect the public. New drone technology can help them to do their jobs more safely and effectively. Terrorist organizations and criminals are already using drones to deliver attacks as well as to smuggle contraband. These actions threaten the lives and safety of law enforcement as well as civilians. C.R.I. has created one-of-a-kind, custom-made tactical strategic drone courses in order to support law enforcement, military, and security personnel. These programs were created by Mr. Daron Ben-Benisti, the CEO and founder of C.R.I. Counterterrorism Training School. Daron has a very diverse background. He holds an aviation engineering degree from the Israeli Air Force Academy and is considered to be an expert in aviation technology, drone, and UAV integration for counterterrorism and crime defense. Daron is also a veteran of the Israeli Special Forces as a counterterrorism instructor and operator. With these two spectrally different backgrounds, he possesses a unique and qualified mind as a developer and also an instructor and operator. This unique background inspired him to create C.R.I.'s Tactical Drone Academy, along with all of its tactical drone courses. These one-of-a-kind drone courses are Tactical Drone for Police and Military, for SWAT Hostage Rescue, for Counter Ambush, for CRT and military raids, Active Shooter Response, for Border and Facility Security, for Counter ID and Suicide Bombers, for security officers, for bodyguards and VIP protection, for wildlife and rural areas, for counter-maritime piracy, for maritime safety and rescue, countering hostile drones, for surveillance operations, for undercover operations, for fire, medical, and emergency rescue, for first responders, for counter-narcotic operations. This is a small window into the world of C.R.I. Counterterrorism Training School's activities over the past 20 years. C.R.I.'s drone and UAV courses are open to military personnel, law enforcement, federal agencies, security personnel, national and international organizations, as well as qualified civilians. Many of the challenges and tension between the public and law enforcement could greatly be reduced by harnessing and implementing one of C.R.I.'s tactical drone programs into their organization. U.S. armed forces and their allies can benefit with regard to facility protection, counter-ambush, sniper, and counter-sniper by using C.R.I.'s drone programs. Drones can offer a wide range of support from small unit to platoon level and beyond. With C.R.I. tactical drone courses, technologies, and methodologies, armed forces will have an excellent tool to increase their security. Not only will these dynamic technologies increase security, but they also provide strategic benefits. Overwhelmingly positive and compelling evidence shows that drones will benefit the military in ways that have not yet been discovered, and then well into the future. C.R.I. Tactical Drone Academy courses can strengthen our military, law enforcement, and overall homeland security. Our ever-changing world is in dire need of solutions and expertise. C.R.I. Drone Academy offers solutions that can not only increase the safety of our security forces, but can also be a force multiplier to any department, agency, and/or unit. How do we save people's lives and livelihood? One person at a time. In conclusion, CRI's Tactical Drone Academy has created and continues to develop various technologies and unique training programs that can benefit and revolutionize many other industries in a very positive manner. Contact us now and find out how CRI Tactical Drone Academy can help your organization.